Hello everyone. There was an issue that took me a quite bit long time to solve. Um, Cracks, pops, noise that was appeared on audio and video, of course, because there is an audio on the video. And it was very annoying. I mean, can we get a smooth audio from our PCs? I tried a number of PCs and noticed that meanwhile I'm doing things like hiring getting my processor work on high load and make him do couple of tasks, both especially high speed tasks. It was causing that pops and cracks, even though those are was coming without this stress cases. Now, what I did and extremely solved this problem, because I don't know what you are and what I am, but I was very sensitive to these noises. I mean, it was distort the sound that I'm hearing. I mean, I'm a singer, and this was coming through my singing session. I mean, you're hearing the tool that now playing to you, and park, crack, distortions. I mean, I was have to solve this problem. Now, what solved it? It's from the BIOS, of course, and this is what I did. Now, what I did was cut the whole flash out. Like, I don't know which point I am right now on solving this issue, and like maybe downgrade or took down some of the features that I am enabled to get and not get these pops. But this is what I did, and if someone like in some point will enable some of the feature that I disable, and will show you right in this moment, please let me know that I am will get this enabled too and have this enjoy from. Now, main BIOS, megabyte intelligence tweaker like MIT. I don't know what is on you, but this is on me, on my BIOS. Enter, and then advanced frequency setting. Now go to this and advanced CPU core features. This one. Now disable all. I mean, CPU cores enabled. Of course, you should do this all. It's your physical cores, I think, yeah. Of course, all of them should be enabled. Now, CPU multi-threading. I don't know what if I can disable these two, but if it enabled and worked just fine, what I care. Now, all of this, of course, disable. You can see Intel Turbo Boost, CPU enhance, halt, C3, C6, C7, I don't know what it is, but it's disabled. CPU thermal monitor. You know, when I did this, I recognized that my CPU is working very hot in this state. Like there was something that causing the CPU to get colder with all of this, or of course some of this enabled, but when I disabled it was getting hotter, not above the limit but hotter, of course hotter. I mean, I will maybe in some point when I will want to do higher grade processing things, will be have to replace the cooling method that I have there to at least much stronger one. CPI EIST function, I don't know what it is. By the all of this disabled, and this is what causing this is what will solve your problems. So I loved it, a lot of video before. I mean, upgrade your driver for the sound card, disabled even one by one all of those components that suspiciously make this happen, but all of this disabled, and this is what causing the problem, and we'll solve it. Now, please let me know what can I be enabled to without getting our problem back. Thank you all.